Well, boys and girls, this is how far I got on it. We found out we're going to be buying some land, and I'll be working on a house out there. So I did some work to it and to this here camper, and now I'm just going to sell it. So it sucks, but at the same time, we're getting what we wanted, some land, and so I'm just going to show you how far I got on it before we put her for sale. We'll come in here. Still got tape on the windows from painting all the trim, but everything's pretty much what we saw last time. All cleaned up a little bit. Pretty much the same stuff. Over here where the furnace was, I ripped that out and put the stove in. The stove's just sitting there. It's not hooked up or anything like that, as you can tell. I'll let the next owner decide if they want to chop holes in the roof or not. But that looks better lighting with that shut. But there it is. I put the whatever fireproof board or whatever, fire resistant, I guess, on there. Got the door back. I pulled out this bed. I know that's nasty, but I pulled out the bed. Tore out the bunk that was up here and the bunk that was under there and built some 2x4 deal. That way I can store totes down here for when I go camping. That's what my plan was. And then I got this foam mattress. I mean, it's kind of dirty, but whatever, from a buddy, and I sawed off 8 inches off the end, and it fits right in there. Still got space over there for the AC system. Got these curtains up. Yeah, it leaked before, but I sealed the whole entire thing all the way around with this stuff I got from Lowe's and before I painted it, so that's just ugly, but it's waterproof. I did cut the stove line down here. Or not the stove line, that ran over here to this heater that I ripped out, so I'll have to tell the next guy that he's going to need like a 3/8 cap soldered on there or something. But other than that, I didn't do much besides paint it and clean it up a little bit. I bought some flooring, but I think I'm going to return it, and a little spot for a stove. But yeah, this is about where I got. I mean, bought it for $300. I mean, if I include the stove with it, that adds, you know, maybe $450 or something. And then, so $450 total, not adds $450, but, and then, what else? Maybe $100 in paint and all that crap. That's just exaggerated, probably not that much, but we'll just say it is. So let's say I got maybe $550 into it. I'm probably going to post it for, I don't know, probably $2,800, something like that. Maybe even $3,000. I mean, people like these old style campers, and this one's pretty much solid, so we'll just see what I get on her. I mean, she's nice. I wish I could keep her, but I got bigger projects I'm about to be doing. I'm stuck in here now. There we go. There she is. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. I'd have the coolest camper at the campsite if I was keeping her. Maybe that's what get people to want to buy it. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.